Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. According to reports, ballistics tests have revealed that an illegal gun seized by the police from the waistband of popular dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta was used to murder two high-profile members of the British Link-Up crew in 2019. The tests reveal that the firearm was used to kill Owen Clark and Alfonso Harriet. Clark is better known as Roy Fowl or Father Fowl. Harriet is more popularly known as Oney British. Both men were well-known dancehall personalities who for many years were the organizers of the popular British Link-Up entertainment events in Jamaica and the United Kingdom. Roy Fowl was killed by gunmen in February 2019 while he partied at an event near Halfway Tree in St. Andrew. Days later, in March of the same year, Oney British was killed by gunmen on Mountain View Avenue. A distraught Stacey Ann Holgate said she does not know if she will overcome the pain of losing her firstborn son Daniel Spencer, whom she said was a pleasant boy. The 18-year-old, said to be mentally challenged, was killed execution style on Saturday, April 3rd, in Franklin Town, Kingston. According to the police, Spencer was fatally shot at the intersection of Upper Somerset Avenue and Victoria Avenue. Please like, share and subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification bell. Eyes Across Jamaica Facebook page has been around for approximately 10 years and is mainly aimed at contributing whatever idea possible from the management of the page and all its valuable members to any government body hoping to one day gain a peaceful and prosperous country under any leadership, as the people is our main concern. We have decided to create a news channel to support the page. Thanks for your support.